Alright, is I'm gonna do a backstrap. Probably the most enjoyable and easiest piece to do, but people might have some issues with it because it can be, well, a little bit different. I mean, there's pieces to it, like, see, I'm taking this top part off right here. That's just pieces of meat that aren't part of the backstrap. And when you're dealing with this piece of meat, you want to make sure you get everything that isn't backstrap off the backstrap, so that you know you got backstrap. I have film on this. I had let this deer hang for 24 hours. It was nice and cold outside. And pieces, parts like this that are just hanging and dangling, you take them off. Got some sinew that you can work off of there. They'll sell you that part that can come two pieces in the thing, but it's very easy to separate them. I think that's it right there along that line. Now if you want to separate that, that's fine. I don't have to. Sometimes I like to keep them together when they're nice and pretty like this. Good piece of meat. So what I'm gonna do, I might take some of this sinew off right here, like right now. If you take that and get it to wrap without unwrapping around your hand, you might be able to pull it off all the way down. But it wants to unwrap. Yeah. You might have to breathe a little bit. Pooh. Alright. You see that right there? That's what the Indians used to make their cordage with. Say Indians, Native Americans, or whatever you want to call. I'm sure some early Westerners and other people and cavemen and everybody else and early Western civilization used the same thing. That's it right there. And if you saw me pulling, you saw me pulling hard. That stuff is strong. Now if you go to ripping that and a piece of meat starts ripping off with it, stop. See that meat kind of coming off with it, so I use the knife. And if you followed this down, it would separate these two pieces of meat there. But I'm not going to do that right now because for my purposes of the way I cook backstrap, I could keep them together. Alright, I'm kind of cleaning it up like I would clean it up if I was getting ready to cook with it. But I think I'm gonna take off this one last piece right here and then call it a... Whew. Call it a shoe. Yeah, well, wait, I lie. I don't like that piece in there. Alright. And then from there, simply... Ooh. I hate when I dive into that too much. Alright. I did a little bit more than what I thought I would do. Alright. Alright. Backstrap is basically done to me. What I do is I cut it into portions that I would probably use. Right there. Right there and right there. And that's how I'm going to use that meat. That's trash. I'm going to put that in a bag so I don't get it mixed up. I pretty much know what those pieces are in the ice chest, but I don't want to get them mixed up. That's easy enough to do. Backstrap.